Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the headset and putting it into pairing mode. This is essential because the phone can only discover a device that advertises itself. Once done, open your phone settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep the page visible so discovery completes. Make sure the headset has enough battery to stay discoverable. Low power can disable pairing. If the headset uses a dedicated pairing button, press and hold it until the LED flashes or you hear a voice cue. You now let the phone scan and display available devices. Select your headset name from the list. When the phone asks for a PIN or confirmation, enter or approve it. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234 because this secures the link. Once paired, the system exchanges profiles for audio and calls. Make sure you accept permissions so both media and phone audio route correctly. If the phone shows connected but no sound, check the audio output selector in any media app to route playback to the headset. You finish by testing music and a quick call to confirm microphone and speaker work. Adjust volume on both the phone and headset so levels match. If pairing fails, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, power cycle both devices, and retry pairing resets clear stale profiles. Make sure headset firmware is current and reduce nearby to 4 GHz interference. This prevents dropouts. One troubleshooting tip: if audio drops after connecting, toggle Bluetooth off for 5 seconds then back on to re-establish a clean link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.